Hey guys, DJ Wonder Chrissy, and we're back at it again for, this is week 3 of the Cary Car Show, downtown Cary, Illinois. Let's take a train just came in, and we missed week number 2. We hit week number 1, so this is our second week on the prowl for classic cars and cool cars. It's Corvette night tonight, so we're gonna be bringing you some awesome cars, I'm sure. So stick around and like, share, and subscribe.
I know. Yeah, mine, but this is a lighter model.
All right, we got a Concorde. I don't know who made this. It's an oldie but a goodie. Might be an AMC. There you go, AMC. Let's get a shot on the other side here. There it is. Here we go, it's purple SS. What did they call this? El Camino, 375 horsepower, and it's purple. With the black vinyl roof, that was right out of the 80s. Look at those tires, look at those rims. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. There you go, El Camino. Okay, a lot of Corvettes tonight, but here we got a Porsche Turbo. Not sure exactly what it is, except it's a Porsche Turbo. Really low to the ground. Really low to the ground. And it's right next to a Bug. Look at here, they've got luggage. 1966 VW, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. These had like low horsepower engines, maybe like 70 to 90 horsepower in one of these things. Don't make them anymore, but you see a lot of them around. Look at that spotless Corvette, guys. Look at the chrome. Look at it glisten. That is super clean. Super clean. You can eat off that. There you go. Beautiful red. Followed by an orange. It's Corvette night tonight. Look at them. They're out in numbers. There you go.
Yeah, of course.
This one's got a wing on it. There you go, Ford lovers. We got a Shelby, I believe, here, or a Cobra. Let's see. GT350. Not sure what that says. Shelby down there. There you go, all black. All black. Bet you have fun keeping this clean.
Keeping the garage.
There you go. Corvette after Corvette. Oh, we do have a Camaro though. ZL1 Camaro. There you go. Not a lot of cars today. I guess the heat is keeping them away. But what we got is, this is out of the Food Network. These guys were on the Food Network a couple years ago and ran into some problems and Got a new truck. Trailer, at least. There you go.
Okay, classic car sponsors.
Did you say Corvette? We've got all of them here today. Look at the Corvettes. Oodles and oodles of Corvettes. Every year, every make, every model. They are everywhere. They're going to be stacking them on top of each other at some point. There you go. Here's an oldie. Maybe a 54. I think it's purple.
The second generation.
Check it out. Convertible two-seater.
I know they're having a party at the country club.
Check that out. Here we go. It's a 71 Cutlass Supreme convertible. Looking good. Looking good. Right out of the 70. Look at there. It's got the wing on the back. Almost like the Monkey Mobile, I think, had a wing like that. Big wing though. It was further up in the air. We've got some video of them. Must be a meet and greet for Corvette Club. Look at them here. We got about 10 in a row. There you go. Take your pick. We've got them all over the place tonight.
Are you going to give a C8?
There you go. There's a beautiful 14. It looks newer than that, but 2014, I did a good job on it. Here's a 2023. Look at that. That's what I think Ray's got a 2023 too. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a little hard though. The seat, I sat in his, the seats are a little not comfy. There we go. A 1984 Ford GT30. Work in process. Somebody's got some projects. You gonna bring this baby back to life?
That's a kid's car. He's doing it.
What's next on the list?
Pull the motor in the winter time.
All right.
Throw on a new carburetor.
What's it got in it?
2 barrel. Put a 4 barrel.